Hi everyone, today we've got fake Samsung and let me share with you how to change video quality on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and now we can tap on the settings which are in the left corner. Now let's tap on this let's say video icon and at the very bottom of the options we've got the video quality. So let's tap on it and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got low, medium, high or fine. Right now we've got high option applied and I highly recommend to leave it like this because this is obviously the best possible in this device. So in order to change the quality if you want to, you have to just tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick medium. And as you can see, it immediately changes right here, so it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen quality. So actually this is it. This is how to change video quality in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.